Looking for a new curved gaming monitor but stuck between Xiaomi G34WQI and Samsung Odyssey G5? Today we're breaking down everything you need to know to make the right choice for your setup. Let's dive in. First up, the Xiaomi G34WQI. This is a 34-inch curved ultra-wide monitor that punches way above its weight class. You get a crisp 3440 by 1440 resolution, which means more screen space for gaming and work. The refresh rate goes up to 180 Hz, making everything super smooth. Response time is just 1 millisecond, so no lag when you're gaming. It uses a VA panel with great colors and deep blacks. The curve is 1500R, which feels natural and immersive. Price-wise, you're looking at around $250 to $290, depending on where you buy it. Now, the Samsung Odyssey G5. Samsung makes several G5 models, but we're focusing on the most popular 32-inch version. You get 2560 by 1440 resolution. That's standard QHD, not ultra-wide. Refresh rate hits 165 Hz, which is still great for gaming. Response time is also 1 millisecond. The curve is more aggressive at 1800R, which some love and others find too much. It also uses a VA panel with decent colors. Samsung's brand name comes with better warranty support, but you'll pay more, usually between $300 to $400. So which one wins? For screen space, the Xiaomi takes it with that ultra-wide format. You get 34 inches versus 32, plus way more width for multitasking and immersive gaming. For speed, Xiaomi again with 180 Hz versus 165. For build quality, Samsung feels more premium with better materials and construction. For gaming, both handle fast-paced action well, but the Xiaomi's ultra-wide format gives you a bigger field of view in supported games. For work, Xiaomi wins hands down. That extra width is perfect for video editing, coding, or having multiple windows open. Here is the bottom line. If you want the best bang for your buck and love ultra-wide gaming, go with the Xiaomi G34WQI. If you prefer a trusted brand name and don't need ultra-wide, the Samsung Odyssey G5 is solid. Both are good monitors, but the Xiaomi offers more screen and better value. That's our breakdown. Which monitor would you choose? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Links to both monitors are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.